Welcome once again. Today, I'll be putting you through the simplification of this lovely rational exponential expression. To simplify this, 3 to the power of 60 minus 3 to the power of 56 in the numerator, we try to get 3 to the power of 56 from 60. And that means we'll be having 3 to the power of 56 plus 4. And that's minus 3 to the power of 56. A similar thing is done in the denominator, where 3 to the power of 30 is expressed as 3 to the power of 28 plus 2. And that plus 3 to the power of 28. Then, by the law of addition of exponents, a to the power of x plus y, it is the product of the separate powers, a to the power of x and a to the power of y. This we apply to the first terms in the numerator and the denominator, such that the numerator is 3 to the power of 56 times 3 to the power of 4 and minus 3 to the power of 56, while in the denominator it is 3 to the power of 28 times 3 squared plus 3 to the power of 28, where it becomes so easy to factor in the numerator 3 to the power of 56 and in the denominator we factor 3 to the power of 28. Then 3 to the power of 4 minus 1 in the numerator, we express it thus: 3 squared to the power of 2 minus 1 expressed as 1 squared over the denominator kept the same, 3 to the power of 28 times 3 squared plus 1. So the concept of difference of two squares is applied to the expression in the parentheses in the numerator. The difference of two squares says if we have a squared minus b squared, this factors out as a plus b times a minus b. Therefore, the expression becomes 3 to the power of 56 times 3 squared plus 1 times 3 squared minus 1. The denominator is kept the same as 3 to the power of 28 times 3 squared plus 1. Easily 3 squared plus 1 cancels out to give us 3 to the power of 56 times 3 squared minus 1 over 3 to the power of 28. This is also written as 3 to the power of 56 times 8, as 3 squared is 9 and 9 minus 1 is 8. Then over 3 to the power of 28, where we apply the law of division of powers, which brings about subtraction of exponents to 3 to the power of 56 and 3 to the power of 28. The law says that if we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, it is a to the power of the difference between the exponent m minus n. Therefore, we have 8 times 3 to the power of 56 minus 28. Hence, the final answer of the simplification is 8 times 3 to the power of 28. I believe you enjoyed today's tutorial. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share the video, and please subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so that you get updates from time to time about our wonderful and lovely tutorials in this channel. Thank you for watching.